I'm going to talk about a couple of my favorite 3D prints for the DJI RC-N3 controller. Uh, these two have files that are free to download and print yourself, but they're two of the most useful things that you can get for this particular controller. These controllers come with things like the new DJI Neo 2. There's a sunblock cover, sunshade, and then this insert that goes into the controller that allow you to hook either a neck strap or like a lanyard type clip, any cheap lanyard that has a little attachments you can mount to this and hook in the controller to where you can hang it around your neck. I'll put the links to the free prints in the description below, and I'm just going to show you how these work and how simple they are, easy to print. You can resize the sunshade yourself to make it fit your phone. This particular insert will work with some of the other controllers also, but I haven't tested it with those, just the RC-N3 version with it. But just cheap free prints, easy to put in here and use, and I'm just going to show you how the setup goes with this. So I use a camera strap with these type of hooks on them, which makes it real easy for me to switch to my camera strap. These little clips make it easy to clip on and off, but they're also really quiet so they don't bang around on your controller and scratch it up at all easy. I will put links to these also in the description below, but like I said, you can just use a cheap lanyard to hook onto these. This particular print has a little bit thicker construction, so they're stronger, less likely you're going to have to worry about breaking them off. You can either print it in cheap PLA or PLA Plus for a little stronger, or something else that's a little more durable to the sun if you want. But with this, it's nothing but just picking this up, just dropping this in. It just clicks into place and locks in and holds. So with this, I'll clip this back on where you can see it. Locks into place. And these things look like they may get in the way, but they never do. When you're holding it, it's just real easy to get to the controls, be able to switch this. And when it's hanging from your neck, it's easy to touch the buttons and makes all changes with it. But it will hold it securely and hold your phone securely. When you have your phone in here, it holds it down. So what I'm going to do with it, click the phone into place. When it's in place, it makes sure that this holds in so you don't have to worry about it slipping out. And then this sunshade, with it, you can put it on afterwards. You can take it on and off while you're using it. So if it's cloudy day, you can pop that off, or if the sun comes back out again, all you got to really do is just set it on top, press it down into place, and you're locked on there with a good sunshade. So you can hold it, be able to see your screen really well, and just blocked away out of the sun. So it's not very hard to print these. They're really quick, doesn't take a whole lot of material. It's free if you buy a sunshade like this, from about $12 to $15 on Amazon. And this insert, they can be anywhere from $10 to $15 also. You can print them yourself, cheap, and it's the two most useful prints you can make for these controllers. So if this helped you out at all, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.